Hi there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay. Paano nga ba sisimulan ang low carb? Pag-uusapan natin yan today. Sharing with you what I eat in a day, plus sharing with you the basic tips na pwede nyong gawin as a beginner. So kung excited ka nang malaman yan, make sure to keep on watching. Lately guys, ang daming ganap and today ang aga kong nagising. And normally kapag nagigising ako guys, I will have my black coffee or my apple cider vinegar, then kahit 1 glass of water, and then I will have my quiet time. But for today guys, I had my apple cider vinegar. So malamig na apple cider vinegar with the salt, and I'll drink it with the straw. So, kung gusto niyo matuto about apple cider vinegar, kasi isa yan sa mga nakakatulong sa akin, let me know on the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan next. But yes, I'm done with apple cider vinegar today and I am on my intermittent fasting sa mga oras na yan. Done my other things na kailangan kong gawin, kailangan maghatid ng Junakis sa school, and when I'm back guys, I am on my 17th hours of fasting. After makauwi guys, then I have my first meal na. So I'm going to share with you ano yung first meal ko. Plus, let me share with you the basic tips na pwede nyong gawin as a beginner. This is my meal of the day, guys. So, normally, kapag nasa more than 16 hours yung fasting ko, guys, ay talagang I make sure na nag-start ako sa soup, yung mga sabaw. So, very good kasi yung meal namin today ng family member ay may sabaw. And then, I have my eggs. So, sunny side up tayo for today's video. And ayan, yan yung aking meal for today, guys. So, pag-uusapan natin today, ano ba yung mga tips na pwede nyong gawin as a beginner kay low carb. Paano nga ba simulan si low carb? Tip number 1 is make sure na unti-untiing alisin yung mga high carb foods, any types of sweets, any types of foods or ingredients na inflammatory. If you want to lose weight or kung health goals ka man, so for lose weight at the same time healthy ang gusto mong ma-achieve, you have to make sure na umiiwas tayo sa any types ng matatamis, any types ng high carb foods, and any types ng inflammatory foods katulad ng mga fast food. So, for today's video, guys, kung nakita niyo yung meal ko is nakafocus tayo dyan sa meat. Sobrang sarap ng meat, guys. So, normally, kapag ganito yung meal, is ini-skip ko na lang yung mga high-carb foods na kasama dyan. And then, I'll focus on the green leafy vegetables. Doon sa meat, kung may low-carb approved na vegetables, focus kayo doon. And then, nag-add lang ako ng aking eggs. So, napaka-importante to focus on the basics muna. And enjoyin nyo muna yung pagkain niyan. Kapag nasanay na kayo doon sa basic na foods, then mas madali ninyang magagawa ng unti-unti si low carb way of eating. So most of the time guys, yung aking meal ay the same meal na ginagawa or tinitake na rin ng family member para less stress na din tayo. So, gumawa ako guys ng beginner's best ebook para sa mga taong nahihirapan, paano mag-meal plan, para sa mga taong naghahanap ng ideas ng meals na pwede nilang i-prepare. At the same time, it has recipes na rin na pwede ninyong sundin. Plus, we have basic information for low carb and intermittent fasting na makakatulong sa'yo as a beginner. So, kung interested ka dyan, message lang kayo sa page, pero napakalaking tulong ng may meal plan para mas ma-save natin yung time to prepare our meals. For Tip number 3 naman guys, eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. So dito na pumapasok yung pag mga beginners guys, you don't need to do intermittent fasting agad-agad. Make sure na sanayin nyo muna yung sarili ninyo to eat low carb meals. Kasi kapag nasanay na yung katawan ninyo in eating low carb basic meals, then magiging automatic na lang yung intermittent fasting. So ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na kailangang planuhin kung gaano katagal yung gagawin ninyong intermittent fasting kasi yung katawan na ninyo mismo yung magsasabi na busog pa kayo. So normally pagdating sa ating low carb meals guys, nutritious or nutrient dense foods yan. So hindi tayo madali na nagugutom pagdating sa low carb meals. Kaya ang nangyayari is napapa-intermittent fasting tayo. Basic intermittent fasting for beginners, you can start 10 hours or 12 hours fasting. Okay na yon. Pero kung talagang nagugutom na kayo when you do it, then make sure to eat kapag gutom, then stop na kapag tapos or kapag busog na kayo. Paano nga ba simulan si low carb? Let's go to tip number 4. Focus on health over weight loss, guys. So normally, ang mga beginner ay nagpo-focus sa timbangan. Tinitingnan nila lagi kung gaano na kalayo yung difference ng timbang nila from day 1 to day 2, day 3. So halos every day na nagtitimbang. For the beginners, best tip guys, make sure na magpo-focus kayo sa pakiramdam or sa damit, sa size ng damit instead sa timbangan. Bakit? Kasi yung sa timbangan guys, ang nakikita lang natin doon ay water weight and hindi talaga natin nakikita kung nakakapag-burn talaga tayo ng fats. Mas okay kung nagpo-focus tayo sa improvement ng pakiramdam natin, lalo na kung health goals talaga yung fino-focus ninyo. For example, nag-low carb ka and na-lessen na yung mga pain na nararamdaman mo, or nag-low carb ka and from double XL naging large to medium ka na, mas okay yon and mas less yung stress mo doon kaysa sa everyday kang magtitimbang. Yes, you can consider na magtimbang pero from day 1 to day 30, mas day 1 and then day 30 na yung susunod na gawin ninyo. So, hindi nyo siya gagawin everyday kasi mas mahihirapan lang kayong mag-focus sa journey ninyo. Mas okay na mag-focus kayo doon sa nilalagay ninyo sa plato kesa sa timbangan. So, always focus sa health over doon sa weight loss. For our tip number 5, guys, paano nga ba sisimulan si low carb? This is the tip na pinaka-importante pero mahirap talagang gawin. Tip number 5 is to manage your stress level. So, proven and tested, guys, since around 2021. So, sobrang stress out talaga in my personal stuff and kahit gaano ka-healthy yung mga pagkain na tinitake natin. Kung stress din naman tayo, then hindi talaga magkakaroon ng change. Bakit? Whenever we're stressed, guys, yung katawan natin nagpo-produce din yan ng sugar sa ating katawan. So, uma-add yun kung nagiging hindi healthy yung choices mo ng food, plus stress pa yung katawan natin, hindi talaga natin makikita yung pagbabago. For first time, guys, sobrang hirap how you manage stress kasi talagang kasama na yan sa life natin. But if you really want na maging successful to do change sa iyong lifestyle, especially kung health goals ka, make sure na i-manage natin yung mga stress sa paligid natin. My number 1 rule is if it's anything out of my control, I make sure na i-let go na yung mga bagay na yon. Kung may mga bagay naman tayong wala na talagang magagawa sa mga bagay na kinaka-stressan natin, is make sure na bitiwan na natin yon. For example, kaya ka na-stress is kino-compare mo yung sarili mong journey sa ibang tao when it comes to lifestyle. For example, yan yung isang stress na kailangan mong baguhin, kailangan mong iwasan. You focus on your journey because iba-iba tayo ng journey, guys. Doon ka lang mag-focus para iwas stress tayo. Those are the basic tips na pwede mong gawin as a beginner, and doon sa mga tips na yan guys, mostly yan talaga yung sinusunod ko from 2019 up until now na 2025. So if you think na nakatulong, please make sure to click on like. Don't forget to comment down below and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos next. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you next time. And don't forget to always keep going. Bye!